What's up guys? So today I'm going to be trying to take this car and start the journey to making it look more like this car. And this one is also being neglected. Bird poop everywhere or whatever, but I'm trying to get this one running again, and I will need extensive help. As you can see, I had an off at the track and the majority of the impact was here. The frame rail is totally bent and moved over to this side, moved over here, so you can see it bent this way and kind of pushed it back. So my job for now is to just get it to be rolling, and then I'm going to take it to a frame shop, see what they can do. I don't really care much about panel fitment. Really, I just want nothing to rub and for it to be able to go back out on the track again. So let's hope that this can someday look somewhat similar to this, but obviously there's going to be gaps in whatever. So let's try to get started. So status report, I have wheels on both front hubs, so it's rolling now. And I also went ahead and am doing this sort of makeshift intake. This filter is dirty, so I'll spend the evening cleaning this filter too, but this one's way dirty, so I don't know how all these cars run on these dirty filters, but they do somehow. So end of day one, I have a rolling shell again, almost ready for startup. Once I clean this filter, I should be good to start it up and then possibly drive to the frame shop. I also have to tighten up the rear end. I didn't get to that today, but cleaning intake filters and getting tires mounted takes your toll. Yeah, I actually had to swing by the tire shop to get these mounted. Otherwise, I would have just had the wheels with no tires. What's up guys? So I'm trying to pick a bone here with some of you guys and try to figure out what's going on. So these are K&N filters, as you may know, and this one I just reconditioned, but this one I got used secondhand, and it's like super dirty and it looks like it's been washed before, but I don't know if they even decided that they wanted to re-oil it or if they just like didn't even attempt to re-oil it, but like it looks nasty. And I'm trying to figure out if this is something that people just normally do. Like this one was the same way. Like before I reconditioned it, it wasn't red, didn't have that nice oil. Honestly, I didn't even use that much oil when I reconditioned it. I just put a little bit of oil just on each of the top of the crown of each pleat, and you know, it just diffused throughout and gave you this sort of salmon looking color. So I'm gonna go ahead and recondition this one. There's like bugs and grass in it, but like it's super simple. I don't know why people don't take the time to clean their K&N filters, especially if they're paying like upwards of $40 to $60 for them. Like, so I use this, and it's K&N branded one, but I'm pretty sure others work decently well. But I mean, according to directions, you just spray it inside and out and you wait a little bit and you wash it out, and then the oil comes with this cleaning agent. So I don't know why people don't re-oil it. I know some people think it's bad for your MAF or whatever, but I think a trace amount on it won't hurt it, as well as if you look at these clean, which I'll show you after I wash it, you'll see that when you shine a light through, I think it allows way too much debris to get through. The oil kind of closes up those gaps and catches the debris that the normal cotton otherwise wouldn't. So I don't know why people don't do it. I know in some forums they say you can use WD-40, but I think that's the way WD-40 comes out of the can. I feel like it's too much. I feel like you'd over oil it for sure. Versus this, you can get away with using a little bit of oil and it'll help you out. I don't know. Alright guys, so new day, and the filter looks a little bit cleaner, or a lot cleaner, but still it's not clean to my own standards. So I did like 3 or 4 washes. I didn't record the last 2, but I am gonna go back and do 1 more wash, and then afterwards I'm going to rinse it out and leave it in a bucket. Is what I did with the last one, and it worked pretty well. So I think I'm going to do that again and see how that turns out.